Next section, we're going to look at recovery. So recovery in this context basically means how long does it take for you to go from exhausted during your workout back to ready to go again? There was actually a review conducted on this in 2015 where researchers analyzed trials that used red and near-infrared light on muscles before exercise. And what they found was that the time until exhaustion and the number of reps performed following light therapy increased significantly. Here's a quote from the review. The time until exhaustion increased significantly compared to placebo by 4.12 seconds, and the number of repetitions increased by 5.47 after phototherapy. So anyone who works out knows that almost 5.5 more reps for a single set is huge. That's about 50% more, since most people do maybe 10 reps on your average set. We conclude that phototherapy with lasers and LEDs improves muscular performance and accelerates recovery, mainly when applied before exercise, concluded researchers. Red light therapy benefits: increased reps, increased time until exhaustion, and accelerated recovery.
Hey, it's Mark. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And definitely hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos when they come out. Also, be sure to pick up my 3 free ebooks, one on chemotherapy, the other on sodium bicarbonate for cancer and other diseases, and a red light therapy dose guide by clicking the link in the description below. Last but not least, check out one more video on my channel right here, and I will see you in the next one.